In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under agriculture in West Africa. So guys, this video will be about marketing boards in agriculture of West Africa. So we have 8 repeated questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, under the Nigerian Structural Adjustment Program, the marketing of agricultural commodities in Nigeria has been placed under, we have the marketing boards, private investors and individuals, the river basin authorities, the commodity boards. The right answer is option B, private investors and individuals. Okay, next question is this one. It says the main objective of marketing board is to educate farmers on pricing of cash crops, accumulate revenue for government, provide warehousing facilities, stabilize the income of cash crop farmers. The right answer is option D, stabilize the income of cash crop farmers. Next question is this one. It says the marketing of agricultural commodities in Nigeria is hampered by the existence of commodity exchange, the existence of farmers association, lack of adequate storage facilities, the abolition of marketing boards. The right answer is option C, which is a lack of adequate storage facilities. So this is one thing that hampers marketing of agricultural commodities in Nigeria. Next question is this one. It says one problem in the marketing of agricultural products in Nigeria is inadequate storage facilities, the seasonal nature of the commodities, the changing taste of consumers, the high price of the commodities. One problem in the marketing of agricultural products in Nigeria is inadequate storage facilities. So that's the right answer to this question. The next question is this one. It says the marketing of agricultural products in Nigeria can be improved by processing of farm produce, reestablishing the marketing boards, a massive production of farm produce, establishing more agricultural banks. The right answer is option A, processing of farm produce. The next question is this one. It says to protect farmers during a bumper harvest, the government usually set a minimum price, release products from the buffer stock, set a maximum price, set the excess to consumers. The right answer is option A, set a minimum price. The next question is this one. It says which of the following agencies help to stabilize farmers' income? We have trade unions, cooperative societies, marketing boards, local government authorities. The right answer is option C, which is marketing boards. Okay, last question before I end this video is this one. It says the government can influence the prices of agricultural products by paying all farmers producing identical crops a uniform amount of money, the use of buffer stock and stabilization funds, fixing minimum prices when agriculture output is low, fixing maximum prices in years of bumper harvest. The right answer is option B, which is the use of buffer stock and stabilization funds. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problems involving marketing boards under agriculture in West Africa. We practice with 8 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your external exams like WASI and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.